Hi guys, join me making these delicious chocolate chip cookie bars. I had 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. First, we're going to put it all in there. And mix it by whisking. Next, we are doing our wet ingredients mix. First, I'll start off with a 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Then I take 2/3 cups of caster sugar. Then 1 cup of brown sugar. We will mix that. Now I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. And I whisk in 2 eggs. Now I will take my dry mix and add it into my wet mix. And now I will mix it. Now I will be adding 1 cup of chocolate chips. But I'm going to take some few out just to put on top of it for a little decoration. So you can see that delicious chocolate chippiness of your chocolate chip cookie bar. Mix and try to get that evenly in there. Now, put your cookie dough mix into your prepared dish. Check all it. Now, spread it evenly, well, as evenly as you can. Now, once you spread it nice and evenly, you're going to add some of your leftover chocolate chips you put on the side. And put it just over top. So they have that nice chocolate chip cookie bar look. Well, doesn't that look delicious? And in we go. I put the chocolate chip cookie bar into the oven for about half an hour on 80 degrees Celsius. Now let's see if this is nice. And now that I let it cool down a bit, I'm going to take this out of the mold. I already cut it. Look at that. They are a bit burned on the top, but I do like that. Some people might not. It is a bit chewy, and I might have done something wrong because mine is like falling apart, and the others I've seen online doesn't fall apart this easily. But I will say I do enjoy this.